morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now see page number 124 of your textbook. Please take out page number 124. What is written here? Jumping animals. What is written? Jumping animals. This is nothing but the skip counting. We have seen in our previous class also what is skip counting. So this is nothing but the skip counting. So let's read with me. Do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? Do you remember it? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting from the 0. Means a frog jump. Frog is here. Can you see the frog here? Yes. Frog jumps 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3 from the 0. So the first jump is on the 3. Right. What is written? Count the jumps he takes to reach 27. तो 27 तक जाने के लिए how many jumps he has to take, that one we have to find. So he has taken 27 divided by 3 is equal to dash jumps. So let's start doing. Okay. So 3, then 1, 2, 3. So second jump. Then 1, 2, 3. So third jump. 1, 2, 3. So fourth jump. 1, 2, 3. So 5 number jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So which number is given here? 27 is given here. Means we have to reach up to 27. Now let's see how many jumps it has taken. So see here how many jumps a frog taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it has taken 8 jumps. How many jumps it has taken? 8 or 9? Let's see again. Yes, 9 jumps it has taken. We have forget to count 2 here. So total number of jumps are how many? 9. So what will we write here? We will write here 9 jumps. Okay. Then see downside. He has taken dash jumps if he is to at 36. Now how many jumps he has taken? See 9 already. We have taken 9. Then 1, 2, 3. This is 10. 1, 2, 3. This is 11. 1, 2, 3. This is 12. So how many? Which number? To reach at 36 he has to take how many jumps? 12 jumps. So write down here 12 jumps. If he is at 42, now see where is 42? The 42 number is here. If he at the 42, then he has to take a dash jump. So how many jumps he has taken? Here we already taken 12. 12, then again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. 12, 13 and 14. So he has to take in 14 jumps. How many jumps he has to take in? 14 jumps. So this one you have to see, this is nothing but the skip counting. Now what is written? Start from a 0. A rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. 5 steps a rabbit will jump. So we have to see in how many jumps does he reach to 25. So 25 jumps के लिए वो कहाँ तक reach होगा? Let's see that one. So see here I have taken 5 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. To reach 5 he has to jump 5 jumps. So here we will write how many jumps? How many jumps does he reach 25? So 5 jumps he has to take. He reached dash after taking 8 jumps. अगर उसने 8 jumps लेते तो वो कहाँ पर जाके रुकेगा? Let's see again. See here up to 25, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it goes up to 40. So he reaches 40 after taking 8 jumps. He need dash jump to reach 55. तो 55 के लिए 55 तक जाने के लिए how much jumps he has to take? Let's see again. So children, see what we have seen up to here. How many jumps we have taken? We have taken 8 jumps. कितने jumps लिए हमने? 8. Now what they said? 5 jumps we have to take and up to reach 55. अगर 55 तक हमको पहुँचना है तो कितने jumps लगेंगे? So 40, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 45 here. So this is the 9th jump. Then 45, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10 number jump. and again from 50 to this one it is again 1 up to 55. So it is number 11. So how many jumps needed? 11 jumps needed to reach up to 55. So here we will write 11 jumps. Right? These things already we have done. Now let's move toward the next one. She sells. What is written here? See, page number 125 of your textbook. See, she sells. Dhruv lives near the sea. Dhruv कहाँ पे रहता है? Near the sea. He thought of making necklace for his 3 friends. What he thought? He has to make 3 necklace for his 3 friends. He looked for the she cells the whole day. सारा दिन उसने क्या किया? She cells को ढूंढा है. He collected 112 she cells by evening. शाम तक की उसको 112 she cells he has got. Now he had many different colorful and shiny cells. Now so many colorful and shiny cells he has. What he thought? I will make a necklace of 28 cells, right? How many necklace he has to make? He has to make 3 necklace for the 3 friends, right? And he thought कि in one necklace में कितने cell होने चाहिए? 28 here, 28 here and 28 here. Okay, 28, 28 and 28. Will these cells be enough to our making for all these friends? So उसने जो total 112 cells लिए है, so is it enough to make these 3 necklaces? So that one we have to find. So what we have to do here, we will do division means repeated subtraction, or every time we will take out 28, 28, 28 from the cell, and some questions are given that I have written in the notebook. So from that notebook we will see and solve. So here is the picture and here is the question. Now see, he took 28 cell for one necklace. एक necklace के लिए 28. So total number of the cells are 112 and he took 2 के ने निकाल लिए. So we have to do minus 28 is equal to 84. Now he was left with the 84 cell. अब इसके पास कितने cell रह गए? 84. Again he took 28 more cell for the second necklace. This is for the when for the first necklace he has taken out 28 cell. Now he with him only 84 cells are left. So अब दूसरे necklace के लिए देखेंगे. So 84 minus again 28, so you will get 56. So how many cells are left now? This one questions are already given in the textbook. वहीं से मैंने लिखे हुए हैं और ये इसको explain कर रही हूँ. और this is now 28 cells. Now then he took cells from the third necklace. फिर उसने third necklace के लिए क्या लिया? Cells लिए. Okay. So here 56 will come. So for the third, now how many left? 56 are left. और उसमें से फिर हम लोग 28 निकालेंगे. So now we have 28 cells. Okay. The question is how many necklace can Dhruv make from 112 cell? देखो मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि एक necklace he has to make how many necklaces? 3 necklaces. In one necklace 28 cell, 28 and 28. After doing this again how many cells are left? कितने cells बच गए? 28 बच गए हैं. So now he can make how many necklaces? 4 necklaces. So here we will write 4. 112 divided by 28, so 4. So this from this we come to know that division is also repeated subtraction, and direct is this answer. All these questions are given in the textbook. From the textbook only I have taken and I have written here. Are the cells enough for making necklaces for all these friends? Yes, all the cells are enough for making the necklaces for all these friends.